Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. Today I wanted to do an unboxing and a flip through of our November monthly subscription box. This month is Polar Express, that's the theme, and the last couple of months we did sell out of our subscription box, so inventory is low for this month if you want to subscribe, or you can pick it up as a one-time purchase. For subscribers, it is $24 a month. It's a really great value. I believe the value of the entire box is a little over $60, and you get a ton of stickers, plenty of stickers for a full spread. Probably even get 2 spreads out of this, just because there is just so much that we put in here. And we've definitely been scaling back on new releases because it's the holidays and we just want to spend time with our family. So we are scaling back a little bit on new releases this winter, but we are going full force on our subscription. So if you are missing our kits, definitely subscribe to our sub boxes. Next month's theme is really fun as well, and I'm really excited about it. It turned out super cute, very perfect for winter. But if you're not ready to subscribe yet, we do have this available as a one-time purchase for $30. So still a really great value, and if we do happen to have any extras left over, which we may or may not depending on how many people subscribe, we will list any extras in our shop next month at full price. So just as a heads up, we might sell out of this month's box. I think we might because it's just so cute. So let's go ahead and get started with the foil. So this is everyone's favorite part, I think, of our subscription is the foiled sheets. So it comes with 6 sheets of foil. It's matching with the theme of the sub box, and the foil color for this month is this really pretty glittery gold color that we picked. It's a little bit hard to capture on camera, but first up we have these lantern date dots. We always do a themed date dot sheet, so this one's super cute. It's little lanterns. Next we have Snowy Night. Then we have the actual lantern deco. This one is super cute. It's just little holiday stamps. Super cute. I absolutely love this Polar Express one. All aboard. Then we have these cute little snow flurry mini dividers. And lastly, we have some reindeer sleighs. Moving on, we have our 2 deco sheet. This first one is just matching deco from the kit. So we have a train, a ticket, a reindeer, got a Christmas tree, of course, conductor's hat, and then some more lanterns. Super cute. And then this one is just a floral deco sheet that matches with the florals in the weekly kit. Next we have our journaling card, which I always love our journaling cards. This one turned out super good. It's just blank on the back, so that is that. And then we have our 2-paged journaling kit. The sticker paper that we use is a Luxe Premium Matte, and we recommend using the Sakura microperm pens with the sticker paper, and we have those pens available in our shop, so I'll have it linked in the description. But you can also get those pens off of Amazon. I think Michaels also sells them. Jet pens. The journaling kit comes with a little bit of everything, so you have some more deco, these faux wax seals, which are my favorite. We got a little stamp up in here, some little torn pages, and then here's the other page. We have like days of the week, some longer washi strips, functional boxes, more deco, lots of stickers in our journaling kit. And then moving on to the star of the show is our 4-paged foiled weekly kit. It's foiled with that same gold glittery foil. So here's just a closer look of the full boxes. Since I really wanted the deco to shine, the foil is super subtle in this one, just little sparkles. This Believe is foiled, and same with the North Pole direction. It just says 1 mile North Pole. We have a deer up here, the Starry Winter Night. Next up we have our bottom washi and our foiled headers. Got our boxes page, which is foiled super nicely. We have a variety of boxes, and then here on the last page is the essentials sheet. So we have some more little sticky note looking boxes, some watercolor swatches, we have the days of the week date covers, and then sidebar stickers. Got our mini checklists, and lastly we have some scalloped boxes, scallop circles I mean, and they are foiled. So that is our 4-paged weekly kit. So that is everything in our November monthly subscription box. Let me know your thoughts on this month's theme. And again, if you are interested in getting these stickers, it's currently available, $24 for subscribers. It's a really great value. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!